For today's project, we have to demo all the backsplash very carefully around these quarter rounds and install new drywall. So we're gonna have a lot of fun around all these holes here. We have just completed demoing all the drywall and the backsplash. As you can see, it's nicely cleaned up. Just a few places that need to be tidied up, but yeah, so right now we're going to be installing the drywall. And if we look right here, we also cleaned it up. I'm going to have a little bit of fun right here. I didn't want to go all the way to the countertop because so that I can mud up my seams, so I'm just gonna have to give a really nice layer of mud there. And also right here, it's another location where we're gonna have new backsplash. And here is the drywall already screwed on. I have a little fun over there, and then some of it got peeled off right here, so I'm gonna have to do a good job mudding everything. We're kind of vacuumed up just so we have the general dirt off. I do need to vacuum a little bit there, but we're gonna be getting our mud ready right now. So we're on a tight budget here, and all we're gonna do is mud once. So the mudding is already, it's a light red dot, so it's a fairly light mudding where I don't even need to mix with water. And we're not doing a thick coat. In some places, yes, but basically the cabinet installer is coming tomorrow, and all of this is going to be hidden, and then we're going to have backsplash. So basically I just need to cover it up. I'm going to do most of my work with my 4-inch spatula, and never mind, we do have to add some water to this mudding. It's quite dry. And we are complete. First coat of mud on. It looks, I'd say, about a 7 out of 10. Just because there's a lot of those weird holes that nobody likes to work around. But other than that, we are done for today. We'll come back probably and do the second layer afterwards. But yeah,